In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly publish a site using the Mobirise desktop app with a little help from Google. Let's dive straight into the process. First, make sure you have the Mobirise desktop app installed on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, now's a good time to get started. Once that's sorted, open up the Mobirise app on your desktop. This is where we'll begin our journey of crafting and publishing your website. Now that you're in the app, the next step is to log in using your Google account. This can be done by clicking on the Sign In with Google button. You'll find this option directly on the login page once you navigate to it. It's a quick and seamless way to access all of Mobirise's features. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one that's linked to your business or personal projects. Simply click on your account and you'll be one step closer to bringing your site online. Once you've selected your account, you'll see a Continue button. Click that to proceed and authenticate your login. It's a straightforward process, and just like that, you're ready to explore all the features Mobirise has to offer. In the upper right-hand corner of the Mobirise main interface, there are 3 lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Hover your cursor over these lines. This action reveals more navigation options within the app. Find the Sites option in this menu and give it a click. You'll be taken to a list of all your current projects. Here, you can either manage existing sites or start a new project. Select the site you wish to publish by clicking on it. If a prompt pops up asking you to close the current site to open another, just click OK to proceed. This ensures you're working on the correct project. With your chosen site open, look for the Publish button. It's an essential step in the publishing process. Click on it, and then you'll need to confirm by clicking Publish once more. This assures the system that you're ready to make your site live. While the publishing process is underway, you'll need to wait for the progress bar to complete. This might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a coffee or stretch your legs while everything is uploaded and set up. And that's it. Congratulations. Your site is now successfully published and available for all to see. You can check it out by visiting the URL provided at the end of the publishing process. With Mobirise and a little guidance from Google, publishing a site has never been easier. Thanks for joining me, and happy web developing.